Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune! Hello, little astronauts! Are you ready to blast off and learn the planets? Let's count them and see what makes each one special. Mercury's first, it's small and fast, closest to the sun and zooms right past. No air, no water, but it spins around a tiny rocky world that doesn't make a sound. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest one to the sun. It's very hot during the day and super cold at night. Venus comes next with clouds so thick, it's hot and bright and spins real quick. It shines in the sky like a star so high, but it's a planet, not a light in the sky. Planet, hotter than an oven, and it spins the opposite way from Earth. 1, 2, 3, let's fly through space. We're learning planets at a rocket's pace, big or small, near or far. Every planet's a shining star.
Earth is third, our home so blue, with oceans, trees, and people too. It's just right, not too hot or cold, a beautiful place with stories untold.
This is where we live. Earth has air to breathe, water to drink, and animals everywhere. Mars is fourth, the red-orange one with dust and rocks and setting sun. It might be dry, but robots roam, looking for signs of a second home. Mars is called the red planet. Scientists are exploring it to see if life ever lived there. 4, 5, 6, we're on the go, learning planets high and low with fruity friends and a smiling face. We're learning more about space.
Jupiter's next, the biggest of all, with giant storms and moons so small.
It's been so fast it's hard to see, but it's the king of planets, big as can be. Jupiter is huge! It's mostly gas, and it has a big storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn's got rings that swirl so wide they twirl and sparkle as we glide. Made of ice and bits of rock, it's a planet that makes our jaws drop. Saturn's rings are beautiful. They're made of ice and dust. You can see them with a telescope. Uranus is gold and spins on its side. It's bluish green with moons that glide and rolls around. The sun's so slow with chilly winds and icy glow. Uranus is unique because it rolls like a ball instead of spinning straight. Neptune's last so far away with windy storms and ocean spray. It's deep blue like the ocean tide, the farthest world on the solar ride. Neptune is the windiest planet with storms that blow faster than any on Earth. All 8 planets, now you know. From hot to cold, from fast to slow, let's clap our hands and count once more the planets we've been learning for. Say them with me. Ready?
Mercury,